Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x minus 1. Because we still have x, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. This is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0. This one we change by u. S we change by u plus 1. Ds we change by this one. Now we need to expand this one. And this one too. So we have 3u plus 7. You got about 10. 1 with number 7, you got about 8. Now we have u to the power of 3 divided by u square divided by u, and so on in here. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c, the integration of the constant. So I will put about capital D in here. You got about du plus c, and the last one, the integration of 1 over u du, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here, and we have u to the power of 3 over 3. This is about u to the power of number 1. So if we apply the formula in here, we have 3u squared over 2. This is about the constant, so we just have about u. And the last one, that's about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about x minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.